Hi, welcome to Blue Prism Tutorials. My name is Amir. This is part 7, Introduction to Process Studio and Create a Simple Process. In this session, we will learn briefly about the Process Studio and we will learn how to create a sample process. First of all, we'll see about the Process Studio. Process Studio is a design canvas, has a similar interface to Object Studio and allows business logic, control loops, variables, and object calls to be sequenced and tested in a visible business flow. Process Studio is a Blue Prism development tool to a graphically define two steps in the robot's process. Each step in a process invokes actions in a business objects to interact with an application, and once again writing code is not required. In a very real sense, a process acts like a human user accessing each application to carry out the business process. A Blue Prism process is created as a diagram that looks like common business flow diagram. If you see on my screen, it is like just we are going to create a process just like a business flow diagram. Processes are created in a canvas area of a Blue Prism named Process Studio, which as well we will see looks like similar to the process modeling application such as MS Visio and uses standard flow diagram symbols and notations. Let me switch to Blue Prism Virtual Workforce. Select the Studio menu from at the top of the corner or select Studio at the navigation bar. You will find processes and objects. Click on the processes and right click over there and create process. Give a name as I'm just giving a sample name as test sample process and then click on next. Just give the description about the process. I'm just giving as as test sample process and then finish. So once you have clicked finish, you will find the process name test sample process. Double click on that one. Process diagrams are comprised of various stages connected together using links to form a logical structure. Stages are selected from the toolbar and placed on the diagram using the mouse. They can be selected, moved, resized, formatted, cut, copied, pasted, and deleted as much as you can. And you are having different properties to access that one. If you see on my screen that you are having a sample process studio that is called process named with the test sample process. You are having start and end. So this will give a description about the what are the sample process. Okay, as of now this will be called as the stage toolbar. This is nothing but stage toolbar, and this is the that you are having play and pause and go to next step, and you will find what are the errors if you have. Right now, just I have created a sample process named with the test sample process. Okay, now I'm not discussing about the stage toolbar as of now that I'm going to just linking between start and end, and I'm going to just saving this test sample process. Once you're going to click on the save, it will ask about the description why you are going to save it. I'm just saying as a test and I'm going to save it. Okay, now if you have any errors in this test sample process that you will find it errors over here. As of now, I don't find any errors. Let me run this one. So to run that, I'm just going to click the option called play over here. You can see it has been clicked on the start and it has gone to the end. Okay, now the thing is that I had just run this one. This is the sample one. In the next session that we will discuss about the what are the different stage toolbars that what we are having. As of now that we have discussed how to create a sample process. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.